Hello, bonjour, salut. My name is Amy Sandstrom and I'm super excited to just hop on tonight. I hope that you're having a great day or morning or late night, whatever, and you've stumbled across my video, and I'm here to introduce you to LimeLight by Elcone. LimeLight is a company based in New York City, New York, and it is a fast-growing direct sales or MLM company. But what makes us different and what makes me so proud to represent this company is the fact that our products are professional cosmetics. They are products that are used and well respected by makeup artists. And our skincare, here's a couple of skincare products, are all natural. They are completely chemical free, and these products right here and our cosmetics line are going to be branching out into Canada, the UK, Germany, France, and Italy in the next couple of months. And that is so exciting because to this point we've been a US-based company, only able to sell and sponsor beauty guides in this country. So now we're able to open up our markets and introduce these amazing products to people, our friends in Canada and the UK and some of the European countries first and foremost before they go out worldwide, because we're going to be going into, I believe it's 18 new countries within the next 2 to 3 years. So that's super exciting for us who have been with LimeLight for a year or more. These products are all up to EU standards. These skincare and cosmetic products, they don't have any harmful chemicals in them that we would have to remove from our lines in order to be approved for use in the Canada, because in Canada and the UK, as you guys know, you have a long list of ingredients that are not allowed in your beauty products, which I think is phenomenal. And I hope that the US is going to put something like that in place soon. But until we do, that's just how it is here. So we make things ranging from blushes and bronzers to something that's one of our best sellers month after month is our botanical foundation, cream, waterproof concealers. We have a wide range of skincare products that are so good for your skin. They're natural and they show proven results. We also partnered with a company called L'Occitane, and I'm sure if you're in Canada or other countries overseas, you are familiar with this brand because this is a brand that is highly respected, and you can walk into their boutiques and it's just this amazing feeling of being in this high-end body care and home fragrance store, or boutique rather. So I'm so excited. I have an executive leader team in the US, and our team is called the Swaro Tribe, and we are over 107 women, I want to say, at this point. I've been with this company for a year and 4 months, and it just continues to grow. We just get bigger and bigger, and our team keeps growing, and I am really excited because I have some people interested in Canada, and I really would like to find like-minded women who really want to find something for themselves to do outside of the home, or rather still in the home, but whether you're looking for a sisterhood or support, or you really just want to make some extra income and you're willing to put in the effort to reach a higher level and not just be a hobbyist. If you are somebody who wants to just do it as a hobby and you just want to make a little bit of extra money and, you know, have some more girlfriends and experience this awesome product line that we have, I would say please reach out to me, because I'm looking now, I'm taking names now, information, and you can get some pre-training in a specific Facebook group. And I'm also on Instagram. You can follow me there. I post a lot there. It's Freshface by Amy, at Freshface by Amy. My website is freshfacebyamy.com. And if you're interested in looking up some of the products or you want to try some samples, please let me know and reach out to me as soon as possible. We're tentatively launching in Canada on March 1st, and that's going to be a 2-phase launch. Phase 1 is for our executive leaders to be able to start up their Canadian beauty guides and get them rolling. And then a phase 2 is going to be about a month later, and that's going to be an open enrollment for beauty guides who have reached other qualifications to be able to sponsor in Canada. Sorry. So if you have been looking for an opportunity, you just want to get out and do something different and check out some amazing products, let me know, because I would love to help you start a business for yourself and watch it grow into something really amazing and really beautiful. I know that there's women on my team who have been able to step away from their full-time jobs because their income from LimeLight has been so phenomenal, and it's been a blessing. And in my life, I am a stay-at-home mom, and this has given me something outside of the home to look forward to, aside from raising my gorgeous and smart daughter who is 2.5 and taking care of our home. I also get to help uplift and empower women to take care of themselves the way they deserve to be taken care of, to take care of their skin in a healthy way without chemicals, and it gives me joy every single day. So I hope that I'll be hearing from you soon, and I'm super excited to get started with you and show you the ropes and teach you all about the business and show you how you can make a living out of this and have it be super fun too. And join a great group of women who are with me on this journey already, and I hope that that will be you. I will talk to you guys later. If you'd like to email me, I'm going to put all my information in the description and in the comments. Everybody have a beautiful day. Au revoir. Goodbye. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.